I'm gonna be honest, my experiences have not been the best with my natural hair. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is HaZel and I post natural hair content. So if that's something you are interested in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Today's video is basically going to be an update. So I am 6 months post big chop. And in today's video, I'm just going to go over my experiences with my natural hair in the last 6 months, why I big chopped, because I just don't think that was addressed that well in previous videos, and also my hair growth tips and tricks that have really helped my hair to, you know, grow this much in the last 6 months. So let's go. So before we get into the video, I do want to say a big thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this part of the video. They kindly sent over a few of their items, and I really want to share these with you guys because they are gorgeous. Ana Luisa is a jewelry brand based in New York. They produce jewelry that is sustainable but also carbon neutral. They craft high quality pieces of jewelry at very affordable prices. Their pieces start from $39 and honestly, you're getting your money's worth. Now, starting with these Elise earrings, these are by far one of my favorites. What I love about this the most is the shape of the diamond. It's a teardrop, which I think is just so elegant and classy. You can wear this with practically any outfit that you would want to wear this with. Wearing these made me feel like one classy lady, you know, like I just love how elegant they are. Next up are these Loon earrings. So they are a bit small, but I actually don't mind that because they are so classy. They come with these little gems inside and I think they just add to the look so much more. Last up are these Paris earrings. It comes with this twisted design which is so elegant and so unique, and honestly I have a thing for small hoops, so this by far was my favorite. Now, I am obsessed with these hoops. I have worn them out quite a few times, probably about more than 10 times already, and I just love how they look. As mentioned before, these pieces are sustainable but are also crafted at a very high quality. You are getting your money's worth, guys. Don't miss out on this, okay? Also, you can use my discount code HaZeLA10, which is linked in the description below, to get 10% off your order. And all the information regarding Ana Luisa is linked in the description below. Okay, so I big chopped in March. And I'm not gonna lie, that was a tough day. It was a tough day. Why I big chopped was because honestly it had to be done. It had to be done. I said to myself, like, I can't go into my 20s with having relaxed hair. It's just no. And the fact is, like, I've had relaxed hair since I was 4 years old. I have not had any other hair apart from that. So I was already so frustrated because I've never seen what my actual, well, not my actual, but what my natural hair looks like. Also, my hair was a bit damaged because I did not care about the heat that I was putting on my hair, like the straighteners I was using, the curlers I was using. I used them like 3 times a week, and slowly but surely, like, my hair, it was coming off bit by bit by bit. I can't keep doing this anymore. I'm gonna be honest, my experiences have not been the best with my natural hair. Now I would say I'm in love with my natural hair, but it did not start out like that whatsoever. The first month of having natural hair was so difficult. I used to just hide my hair under wigs because I was so embarrassed to leave my house. To go do like regular weekly shopping, I was embarrassed to go out with my natural hair just because of how short it was. And honestly, I did not know what to do. I did not know how to deal with it. Listen, my first ever wash day took 2 days to do. Why am I spending 2 days to wash and dry my hair? Does that make sense? So honestly, for the first 2 months, I really took time kind of hiding my hair away from society, I guess, and really understanding what my hair needs. What was I saying? I was finally comfortable enough to leave my house with my natural hair out in a shrunken state. That day made me realize like texturism is real. I did not understand this idea of texturism before, but from that day onwards, I fully understood the meaning. Texturism is when someone prefers hair that is quite looser in texture and also a lot smoother and looks manageable, I guess, versus when someone has thick, kinky hair and the hair is coarse and may look a bit tougher to deal with. It's based on this idea that loosely textured hair is seen to be more acceptable to society than coarse, kinky hair. So I was just walking, doing my regular like weekly shop or whatever. This like old white man in his car, he's like going into his driveway and then he stops for a second to look at me and laugh. And then I'm thinking, wait, he's not laughing at me. And I'm looking around to see like, what's going on? What's so funny? Like, huh? And then he just goes back into his driveway. The very first day I went out with my natural hair, it just made me feel like, I don't even know how to explain it. It made me kind of just like close up in a way. I didn't even understand the extent to how bad texturism really was until I had dinner in London. So yeah, I went to dinner in London and I was with like one of my friends at that time. And this was the first time I wore my hair fully out in an afro. Like there was no sort of little styles, you know, like little twist here. And I saw so many disgusted looks when I was walking, like just too many. And then I was thinking in my head, like, am I just imagining this? But then I asked my friend as well and she's like, no, I'm realizing that too. Me wearing like my relaxed hair and wigs and all that like stuff like that versus me wearing my natural hair and like whether it's an afro, even like the way it is now, it draws attention and is something that society deems as not being pretty. Even though I wasn't in love with my natural hair in the first month, as the months went by, I really started to understand my own hair and therefore started to really love the curls that I have. Like, look at them today. Look at that. Aren't they gorgeous? And I blame society for this because at the end of the day, I don't see what's so bad about wearing an afro in public. What's the problem? This is the way my hair grows out of my head. Let the hair do what it wants to do. Like, I'm so sick and tired of manipulating my hair to fit society standards, to like break it off with heat, get relaxers, like put wigs and stuff like that. Listen, I'm not even a wig girl, all right? I'm not a wig girl. I'm actually just like, I like to wear my hair out because it gets hot under there. It gets really, really hot under wigs. Everyone just needs to learn to mind their business. It really takes time. So even if you are transitioning or like you're in that phase of your natural hair is short, don't like just rule it out and be like, no, it's ugly. Like, take your time, really figure out something that's gonna work for you. Like, trust me, you will begin to love your natural hair. Natural hair is a struggle. It's been difficult. Considering how thick my hair is, it's a struggle. Why am I buying products every 2 weeks? Can someone explain that? Why am I having to buy products continuously? And you know what, you natural hair products people, yeah, at least make your products a bit bigger. So what's really helped my hair to grow is understanding the porosity of your hair. So I have low porosity, especially in this area over here. It's not as low in like the back and the front, but this area is the lowest. Understanding that, now I know how to use water-based products when I'm doing a wash and go to really help define my curls, but also keep a lot of moisture in my hair as well. And the best water-based product that I've been using is the Curl Max Activator by Lustrasilk. Honestly, this has saved my life, like it really, really has. It's so moisturizing and it's enriched with argan oil as well. And it's amazing for low porosity hair. So try it out if you haven't already. Honestly, another thing that's helped me a lot is by using thick creams and butters in my deep conditioning routine. For example, the Shea Moisture, I think it's the Restore and Strengthen. I'm gonna put it up here somewhere. But that's really, really good. And also using my like regular Tresemme damaged and dry hair conditioner. Also adding a bit of the black Jamaican castor. I think I have it, wait, the extra dark one. This has saved me so much. Deep conditioning your hair with heat, especially if you are a low porosity gal. So I use this steam cap that I got off of Amazon, and I've had it for like a year now. I was even using it when I was transitioning. This is so good, and it's so inexpensive. It's like $14.99. This really helped my hair cuticles to really open up and absorb that moisture. Because, you know, as a low porosity gal, we need a bit of help to open up our hair cuticles. And the last thing that has helped me, which is almost finished, is my dry hair scalp treatment. So it's my Dax pomade, and this is kind of like a scalp grease, and I just add it to my scalp whenever I am doing my wash and goes, and that really helps to hydrate my scalp. I usually add this every 2 days to my hair, and I think this has contributed massively to my hair growth. So what if it's shrunk? So what if it's a thicker texture or a finer texture? It doesn't matter, it's your hair, okay? And if you're happy to wear it like that, be happy to wear it like that, and just be proud of it. Don't be ashamed of it like I was at the start. It's all about learning to love your natural hair, and it really takes time. It's not something that you will get straight away. I can't tell you like from doing my big chop I was in love with my natural hair straight away, because if I did, then I would be lying, because I wasn't. But as time went on, I began to really love it. Guys, don't forget to go check out Ana Luisa jewellery, okay? Their jewellery is good, okay? The link is in the description below, and you can use my code HaZel10 to get 10% off.